2019 Ford Expedition. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, power running boards, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, wood grain trim. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.